Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Microsoft Word from the Galaxy Store or Google Play and signing in. This lets you access OneDrive and autosave. Once done, grant storage and printing permissions so the app can open and save files without prompts. Tap to create a new blank document or pick a template. Choose Portrait or Landscape and pick a default font so your layout is ready. You do these steps to avoid interruptions later and to make typing and formatting smoother from the first keystroke. You'll now focus on editing and structured formatting to produce a clean document. Use the touch keyboard for quick notes or connect a Bluetooth keyboard for long editing sessions. This speeds you up. Make consistent headings with styles so navigation and exporting stay reliable. Insert images and tables by tapping Insert and use page breaks to control layout. Also, make sure to open Split View when you need a reference doc. This lets you drag content or compare versions without switching apps. Finish by saving and exporting correctly so your work is protected. You should tap Save to OneDrive or Save as to local storage and enable Auto Save for continuous backup. This prevents data loss. When ready, export to PDF or use the Share command to send via email or messaging apps. If something goes wrong, check your Wi-Fi, verify you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, and clear the app cache in Android settings. Resolving those three things fixes most sync and permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.